artists. Today we are going to do some experiments with color. So I have right here some stuff called food coloring. Sometimes you use this when you're making food and you want to change the color of the food. So I'm going to put them in a certain order because I like to have them this way. So I have red, and I have yellow, and I have blue. I can tell by their little tops. They kind of look like little hats. So we are going to start by using the yellow. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the yellow, or a few drops of the yellow, inside this water bottle. So I'm going to take off the lid, and I'm also going to take off the lid of my food coloring. And I'm going to make the water turn yellow. So I'll put a couple of drops in there. Okay, now I'm going to put the lid back on and shake it so all of the water will turn yellow. Okay, ooh, nice and yellow. All right, so now I've got yellow, but now I want to add one of the other primary colors because remember that red, yellow, and blue are primary colors. So this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little drop of red. So here's what I'm going to do. I might do two drops. And then I'm going to put the lid back on. And let's see if that yellow with the red changes colors. Hey, look at that. It turned orange. Okay, so we know that yellow and red make orange. Okay, next we're going to try a different one. Now this time I'm going to start with yellow again. So I'm going to take off the lid. I'm going to add a couple drops of the yellow. Okay, get it really nice and yellow. I'm going to put the lid back on so I can shake it and get the whole thing yellow. There we go. Okay, that looks good. Now this time I'm going to add blue. So I'm going to get the lid off of my blue, and I'm going to add, oops, first I got to take off the lid. I'm going to add just a few drops of blue. So right now, let's make a prediction. What color do you think it's going to turn when I have yellow plus I add blue? Okay, so think about it for a second. Okay, let's test it. Okay, I put a couple blue drops in there. Oh, it looks like it's already starting to turn a different color. All right, let's shake it. Yay, it turned green. Was that what you predicted? All right, so far we have put yellow and red, and we got orange. That was one color we've made. Then we did yellow and blue, and we got green. All right, so last one. This last one is maybe the trickiest one. All right, so this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple drops of red. I'll add 3. How about that? And I'm going to put the lid back on. And I'm going to shake it so that it will be all red. And sometimes it kind of looks a little bit pink, but that's okay. All right, so now I'm going to add some blue. I think at first I'm just going to add 1 drop. Okay, so let's think about this for a second. Okay, red plus blue. What's your prediction? What do you think is going to happen? Okay, let's see if that's right. Okay, I'm going to add 1 at first because this is the trickier one to make. Okay, so I'm going to put the lid back on. I'm going to shake it. Ooh, now it's a little bit hard to tell, but it's turning a purpley color. All right, so let me try 1 more. Sometimes I keep adding to test it. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 more drop of blue, and we'll see if it will look more purple. Ooh, sometimes if I hold it up to the light, it looks more like purple. In your video, it might look more like blackish, but that's okay. In real life, it looks a little bit more blue. Maybe I'll add a little bit more red. So what we have made is we've taken the primary colors, red, yellow, blue, and we've mixed them together so that we can make secondary colors. So our secondary colors are orange, and we made green, and we made purple. Sometimes people call purple violet, so if they call it violet, that's okay. All right, so primary colors make secondary colors. Very, very cool. Now you know how to mix some of your colors to make secondary colors. Great job.